A good skincare routine is not 10 steps, it is 3, and most people are doing the wrong 3. The internet has made skincare feel complicated on purpose. More steps, more products, more money. But your skin does not need a shelf. It needs a routine which you will actually repeat every single day. So let me strip this back to what it genuinely matters. Here is the core routine, and it is the same for almost everyone. Step 1, cleanse. A gentle face wash morning and night. Step 2, moisturize, even if your skin is oily, because hydration is not the same as grease. And step 3, sunscreen, every single morning. If you only ever do these 3, your skin is already ahead. Once those 3 are a habit, and only then you add one treatment step for your specific concern. Vitamin C in the morning for dullness and pigmentation. Throwing 5 new actives on at one time is how you end up with irritated skin and no idea as to what caused it. The order matters also. In the morning, go for the thinnest to the thickest, cleanse, then any one serum, then moisturizer, then sunscreen on top. At night, the same idea, but swap the sunscreen for your treatment step. And the golden rule, consistency beats intensity. A simple routine done daily will always beat a perfect routine you do twice a week. My product picks are in the description. So building a skincare routine is simple. Cleanse, moisturize, protect. Master those 3 and then add one treatment for your concern. That is a routine that works, and more importantly, one that you will actually keep. Comment your skin type below and I will help you pick your one treatment step. Subscribe to the next video finds you.